Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, we are going to be making some nice hearty food. We're making some chili and some rice. And so let's get started, guys. So I've discovered that mixing white potato and sweet potato brings a nice little kick to the chili. It sounds strange, but I'm telling you guys, it tastes delicious. So my son absolutely loves his chili, and sometimes I can make it spicy, and that little touch of that sweet potato I absolutely love. But anyway, so this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. You can make anything indoor, outdoor. You can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and all kinds of stuff, smoothies and all kinds of lattes. Anything you can think of, guys. If you're making it, record it, use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor, and more. So guys, we encourage you that now with the holidays and all these extra dishes that we're making, and we certainly don't want our families to be eating out all the time, which is normally what we do during this holiday busy season. But this time we want to make something quick and easy and a little bit more healthier than what we purchase outside. So please come and join us. I cannot wait to have you. Okay, so we cut up the potato. Now we're cutting up an onion, and then we'll continue. Now we've added the potatoes and the onions to the pan, a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to put some ground beef in there. We're going to season to taste. Now you can put in your chili whatever it is in spices that you like or that you can tolerate. Now I usually use salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano or Italian seasoning. And then you can go ahead and build from there. Sometimes my son wants a little bit of crushed red pepper, so you get the idea. Now in this particular case, since the pot was a little bit bigger than what I normally make, I added some of the sazon bouillon in chicken. Then I also added an envelope of the sazon with achote. Okay, so as this starts to cook or simmer, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of red sauce. A little bit later, after the meat starts to brown, we want to add some of the red sauce. Usually I use a jar sauce, guys. But I'm going to leave you to some music as I continue cooking this, and I'll see you in and out of the video. Now, of course, I have to steam some rice, so that's what I'm doing here as the pot on the right is simmering. Oh my goodness, so we're serving it up and then we're gonna head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't that look absolutely delicious? So I just want to take a moment and thank Jean and Debbie for hosting this collaboration with me. And I hope that you guys come in and join. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next week for quick and easy meals.